Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the Emby application to your Android TV without downloader. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So to install this application to your Android TV without downloader, the best application to use is the APK Time. Now, how do you install APK Time to your Android TV without downloader? In the description of this video, I have attached a video, a link that's going to guide you on how to install APK Time without the download application. So go ahead and watch the video, install APK Time, and then once you're done, then come over here. Now, once you launch the APK Time, come on to the option or the category that says players and browsers, and then browse down to the bottom where you see the MB application. So there are two options. There's the 32-bit and there's the 64-bit. Please choose the one that's compatible with your device. If you don't know the one that's compatible with your device, then just install the 32-bit. So click on download. Once you're done downloading, you can cover here and then install to Android TV. It's as simple as this. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So just click install.